Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm gonna do a little video on how to set up a home workshop, and this little video is going to be on hand tools and toolboxes. So I'm just going to run you through the things that you would most likely want to buy or need. And up above here I have just a various range of sockets, all ranging from 3/8 to quarter and half inch. Some are 6 point, some are 12 point, and when I mean like 6 and 12, I'm talking about like all these points around there. I have some deep sockets which are here, compared to the stubby or shallow ones. And I have some extensions. You always need a various range of extensions. And I'm going to run you through some pliers. So over here we have some side cutters, or I know some American people call them dikes. I think that's a pretty funny name, but yeah. You got some vice grips and just a whole other various range. Go back in here. In here we just have some pens, calculators, and in here we just have just some various more sockets, Stanley knife, some air tools, pocket knife, whatever. And in here I have a various range of bits, all ranging from different sizes. They always come in handy. And let's see, in here we have some wire brushes, a multimeter, and my homemade puller. That's always good to have around. And let's see, in this drawer we have some air tools. You have a cut-off tool, a half-inch air ratchet, and a die grinder. And in here, all my various spanners. Get that right. And yeah, they're all sitting organised and neatly on the rack, so I can know where everything is. So getting down to that part. Next, screwdrivers. Always need a good set of screwdrivers. And yeah, just various shapes, sizes, small ones, medium, whatever. So that's that box. And this box does me good for all my general DIY stuff. Now I'm going to move on to this box here. Just started pretty much buying some tools for this toolbox. And by the way, it never hurts to have a workbench. These are actually old kitchen cabinets that I pulled out of my house, and I just cleaned them all up and gave them a paint job. Same as with that one over there. That one came out bloody awesome. Just looks so nice. And anyway, back to these, Good set of T-handles will go good. I got a couple of sets, metric and imperial or SAE. And yeah. So that's nice. And in this drawer, just some more spanners. And these are really interesting here. These are like metric and SAE or imperial. It's actually 13 or a half inch. I don't know if you can see that tip there, but it's just, yeah, and you take a look at that side, it's different. Not compared to the other regular ones. But anyway, back to that. And this is my 3/8 and quarter inch drawer. I've got all my deep sockets and just all my other crap. These are really good too. They spin. Well, I can't spin it with one hand, but yeah, they spin just like a ratchet. And my half-inch drawer, which is empty because I haven't bought anything. And some screwdrivers, picks. One's pretty good. It's really sharp. So yeah, They're good for getting seals out and all that. You know, they come in really handy. So do these. This one too. This one comes in really handy as well. Kind of like a dentist type thing, I guess. And yeah, that's about it for hand tools. There's probably a million more I can mention and get really down into it. But the main thing is you always want to have a good set of hand tools around. And some, I guess, a decent toolbox to put them in. So anyway guys, that's just a little how-to video. Well, not really a how-to video. A what you need video, I guess. So anyway guys, you know, thanks for watching.